Good morning, student. In this earlier I said to you, one side was Major Hector Munro from East India Company and opposite side Mir Qasim, Shah Alam and Sajaudullah. Okay, two fought battle and fought battle. In this battle, Mir Qasim was defeated by the British East India Company. The battle was beneficial for the expansion. This opened the fully gate for the Britisher to enter in our country. And what was the result of that? What was the result of that? कि complete expansion of power of East India Company was started. And second one, it gained the rule and Diwani. Diwani mean right to collect the revenue from Bengal, which included Bihar and Odisha. It mean on that time Bengal, you know about that state of Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Whole was the only one part. Okay, and they also take the advantages of the collection of land revenue. And dual government is also there. Dual government mean कि double government was going to work in Bengal. One, right to collect the money by the British, okay, and the judiciary and land revenue was all in the hands of the British East India Company, and they appointed Nawab to look after only administration, nothing in the hands of the Nawab. Okay, and there was a famine in 1770, and on that time your Nawab, though who has looked after the administration, has nothing in his hand कि by that he can help the victimized people, but Nawab did not have the any resource to help them. And your East India Company also not bother about the victims कि what type of help we will give to them, nothing they bothered about that. Okay, and Warren Hastings, when he became the governor of Bengal, he abolished the dual government and gained the full control over Bengal. Beta, you also read this whole page. Up to here, I will ask the question from you. Okay, thank you.